Thank you, and enjoy your
Just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found them. We're trying to find it as I told you. Souls are on board. The Loch says they're heading for a cave near the edge of the Loch, but you could be looking anywhere. So I need you to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast is out there. And it seems she's mighty hungry. Oh, quick, get the message here. It says here, team, give chase. Shiver, and my huge teeth say, oh my God, stay safe, for goodness sake.
What was at one point in history the tallest drop of any coaster in the world?
Yes, it was. And here it is now.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yeah!
Oh, still as janky as I remember. Yay!
Yeah!
So janky, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Here we go!
The second interlocking loop.
Here we go!